So in this video, we look at how to cite multiple pages from the same source in APA 7. What we are looking at is that how do we cite multiple pages? How do we cite multiple pages from the same source in APA 7? Let us look how we go. Let us look at how we go about it. So we are saying that for consecutive pages in APA 7, when citing information from multiple pages within the same source, you should cite the consecutive pages with PP followed by the page number range. So what you are saying is that for consecutive pages, you should decide. You should first of all put the surname like this. We have a sample here. You have a surname there in the bracket. So you put an year, then you put a comma, then it is followed by the PP. This one PP means pages. It means pages. So you are citing from page 55 to page 56. So these are consecutive pages. So for consecutive pages, you put PP full stop. Then you put the pages which you are citing. That is page 55 and page 56. So you put 55 hyphen 56. So then, if you look at this reference, you see that this person publication was published between page 50 in that journal and page 61. So the paper was published in page 50 and page 61. So for this case, you are citing page 55 and page 56 of that paper. So what about when you have non-consecutive pages? You want to cite a source, but you want to cite non-consecutive pages. These pages are not following each other. So how do you go about it? So for information from non-consecutive pages, list each page number separately by a comma. So for instance, in this case, we have this author, the year 2017, then you put pages. So here you want to cite page 51, page 55, page 59. So these are not consecutive pages. So you put each page alone, then you separate it with a comma, then you put the next one that way. So let's look at an sample. If you have a sample here, now you can say this one is a paragraph. So I want to show you how do we cite in a paragraph. So you put, if you are starting in a sentence with that author, with that citation, you put the author, then you put here, then you put the consecutive pages between 55 and 56, then you close the bracket. Then at the end of the sentence, the whole citation should be into bracket. So you put the surname of the author, you put comma, you put the year, you put comma, then you put pages. So the pages you are citing are 51, 55, and 59. So you put each page on its own, separated by a comma, because these pages are not consecutive pages.